Oh,
Yes.
hi. Here?
Yes.
Is under arrest.
For what?
For disorderly conduct. She can either come with me tonight. Well, she's got to come with me tonight. She's here. I know she's here. So I don't want to make this a bigger thing than it is, but her behavior was out of line, and it's being
Grandma,
solved.
don't you open that door.
No.
She's in the house.
Don't you open that
I don't want anyone. I don't want any confrontations. She's under arrest. She's lawfully under arrest.
Open the door. Close the door, Grandma.
Stop.
Sir.
Start me some more units here, please.
You gonna open my door? You gonna close the door?
Stop!
You gonna tase
Get
me?
back!
You
are under arrest. You're lawfully on. I won't tase anyone. Stop it!
Grandma.
Stop!
Grandma, he's trying to tase Grandma.
10-3, please. Step them up.
Look, sit down.
Stop!
What is she going
Stop
on,
it!
man?
What is she doing? I'm listening to my grandmother, sir.
Sit down.
Get out of the way. Could you please get out of the way? She's under arrest. You're interfering with the lawful arrest. I do not want to charge you with anything. I don't want to.
She's going with you.
Okay, so please back out of the way. Back out of the way. Back out of the way. It's going to become a really big problem very quickly.
Yeah, let me open the door back.
So he can tase me?
No, he ain't gonna tase you.
I don't want to. I told you I came here peacefully and calmly. I came here by myself peacefully and calmly. I don't. You're under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly conduct.
Where?
Back at the other house we were just at.
What's the address of the other house?
It doesn't matter what the address was. You were disorderly there.
So you follow me like I said?
I know where you are and where you live.
You follow me
Yes.
like I said you was going to do?
Yes.
Stop off.
I'm 10-4.
He ain't listening, Ma. This is he's racist. He's not trying to hear.
Stop.
He got his foot in the door.
Stop.
Ma'am, could you please get out of the way? I do not want to have to arrest you. Why
are you gonna tase her?
I'm not gonna tase her. If she comply, if you comply, no, this is not how this works. I'm not gonna jeopardize myself. Could you please just get out of the way? If she just gets up and comes with me, everything's fine and this is over.
She said, just come and go with it. Go with it. We'll get you out. Come on. All right. No. Stop. Move your hand.
Get away now! Back up! Get back! I swear, my foot is stuck in the door. You're both gonna get fucking locked up.
Move your foot. Move your foot. Cause you ain't got no risk. Move, Grandma. Move.
Step him up. Step him up. Step him up. Dispatch, step him up, please.
You might want to move then. Move. I told you this guy ain't got nothing to do with you. Move. Go upstairs.
The man got his foot in the
Back up now! Get back! Get back! You are under arrest. You're interfering with the lawful arrest. Back up now! Get back! Fuck me, Jesus fucking Christ. Ah, my foot is in the fucking door, you idiot!
Move it then. Move, Grandma.
Get back!
Let the man.
Jesus fucking Christ!
Let him get his foot out the door.
10, where my unit's at, I'm stuck in a door. I'm 10-4, but my foot is jammed.
This man followed me all the way over here. Move.
Get back! Get back! I swear to God, get back! You are so fucked up now. Jesus fucking Christ.
Open the door. Call the police. Open the door. Go in. Call your mother.
Get back!
Come on.
Get back! Get back!
Sir, please don't hit her. Here.
Come here now! Come here! Now! Take your hands out from your pocket!
Oh, no.
Get back! Come out of here! Come out here! You're...
You gonna come in my house for a drag?
Come out! Be easy with her. Easy.
I didn't do nothing.
Easy.
What's going on, man? You're okay. Just bend over.
And I can't deal with that.
We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Come
Come out the house now. Get out the house now.
Hey, guard, I slammed her because a taser. Can you please get the taser? Thank you.
Fuck me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get out the house now.
Put your hands behind your back. Interlink your fingers. Interlock your fingers now. Do you understand basic English? Interlock your fingers now.
Please. It's okay. Call your mother. Call your mother.
And just let I know, taser deployed and spray.
Stand up. Bring your knees to your bring your feet away.
Come here. Come here. Come with me. Come here. Come here. Come outside. 295. You can lift the 10-3.
295,
Yeah. I came here to lock her up. I was like, hey, you know, you're going to be under arrest, or I'm going to go get an application for you. She's inside behind the door. I'm like, all right, this is it. You're coming with me. You know, not here to have any issues with anyone, but this is what it is. And then they both tried to push me out of the house. They both assaulted me. And, yeah. Does she have a probe in her?
Yeah, it looks like it might be one.
Where's the probe?
I need to go with my mommy.
Does she have any probes in? Schmidt, what's up? Does she have any probes in?
No, I don't have nothing in me.
Knock on the door.
Good thing you grabbed that today. Huh? Well, I was trying to get, my foot was closed the door on my.
Hey, what's the deal with her?
She's under arrest for interfering in assault.
She got tased?
No, I just tried. My foot got stuck in the door, and so I threw the taser in. They were both standing right there, so I just shot the taser off at them. I don't think anyone actually got hit. They got sprayed. She got sprayed.
No, that's why I'm sending her to my neighbor's house.
Who are these individuals close to? Are they related anyway?
No, they friends.
Okay.
Knock on the door.
Did she go with this lady across the street?
And anybody nearby, so leave your child in the background, I'm sure.
Hold on a second.
Hold on.
Can she go with the neighbor across the street?
No negative news
Ma'am,
for taser.
can she go?
My neighbor.
She's trying to take care of the stuff with the kids, so I'm gonna let her do that.
Do what?
She's trying to take care of the stuff with the kids.
Do it.
She is.
Oh, you are.
So I'm gonna let her do that before I put her in the car.
The spray guy, you want to go?
Hey, ma'am.
Just go in the house. Wait a minute.
What's up? Screen door's locked?
Is there anybody else in the house?
No.
Was this them two?
Did you get sprayed, sweetheart?
Yeah, I think she got it there. Here we go.
Okay, push the handle. No.
How's that work?
I don't know. I don't have one.
Oh, either. No, don't let it go back in there.
I'm not going to worry about going back in there.
No, I'm talking about
Do you have?
granddaughter.
You have any milk in there?
It's pretty soft.
No.
Is this little girl?
She didn't eat.
Okay, is that woman over there? Does she watch her? I think she wants to check with this lady.
I was around with them kids.
I knocked on that door pretty hard.
No.
I didn't get an answer.
Well,
Is
they
there any
home
other
off.
neighbors I can check with? Is there any other neighbors I can check with?
Come here.
Yeah, she's there.
Okay, can I go over there and talk to them? Would you keep these children until somebody come and get them? No, she'll keep them for me.
All right, let's go right here.
Huh?
straddling. Does she have those kids? Is we good?
No.
They haven't given me an answer yet. Yes.
All right. Let's go to the car then, okay?
Okay. Let me lock my door.
We'll lock your door, okay?
Do you need a phone number for her?
We will.
Do you have one? In case you need it.
God. We're gonna get all that. I'm gonna get her in the car now.
That's fine.
Let's get in the car. We'll get everything fixed.
Lock my door.
Ma'am.
Come and lock my door.
Ma'am.
Huh?
We're gonna go to the car.
I'm going. I don't want to leave my house open.
That's what we're here for. We're gonna close your house. Come on, let's go. We'll close your house. Let's go. I'm trying to do everything I can for you. We gotta get in the car now, okay?
Well, put the lock back on the storm door and put the bottom lock on the house door.
Yes, ma'am. You hear that? Just lock the storm door and the house door for her if you don't mind, sir. Okay. This way, man.
Stand right here. You show me how to do it. That way it gets locked.
Does she have keys for the house? Because you can just lock the house up.
This is her lock it up. Put the bottom
We're
lock.
trying to do it the way she wants it.
The one in the turn in the bottom lock.
You got the keys
Sierra's
for your
car
house,
is still
man?
running in the driveway. I don't know if you
You got the keys to get
My
back in?
granddaughter got them.
Okay. Keys are this.
They found around Harbor House right here that she was arrested for disorderly conduct.
All right, ma'am.
One of them followed her
We'll talk about it
around,
later. Thank you.
and she didn't want to let them in the house.
Ma'am.
So they tried to tase and everything.
Just watch your footing there.
I don't think so. My foot was stuck in the door.
This is embarrassing.
Say again?
Embarrassing for nothing.
Well, I'm sorry about that, ma'am. Can we put her in one of the cars here, or what's... Ma'am.
Somebody get.
Hey, sir, we'll get her a phone call or something you need to talk to her, okay? We're not trying to make too much of more of a scene, all right?
Well, I ain't never make none.
No, ma'am. I'm trying to get you in a car.
You were the one who tackled me, throw me on the ground.
I don't want everybody, all your neighbors seeing you in cuffs if they don't have to,
They
okay?
don't see me now.
Okay. What do you want her in? Yeah.
What car are you going in?
It don't matter.
Let's go back to the car.
And look at all these darn police for nothing.
Well, ma'am, I can explain it to
For
you.
nothing.
So, one of our officers put out signal 13, which means he's in trouble and he needs help, okay? That's why we responded the way we did.
Because
When I came
he
up to
stuck
you...
his foot in the darn door.
Yeah, well, it's his right to do that, ma'am.
No, it wasn't.
It is. The reason I put you on the ground, ma'am, is because I saw taser probes in you.
I ain't had no taser probe in me.
He tried to tase you, okay? And I was seeing that you were the immediate threat at the time, okay? I just wanted to get you out of the way.
I wasn't in no immediate
no hard
threat.
feelings. No, nothing personal.
No.
You want to stand down here behind the bumper of this car? I'll help you over this tree root, okay?
Come this way. Stand down here. All the way down to the ground.
You want to hide her behind this car so our neighbors aren't staring at her? All right.
Ain't nothing on me.
So you want to put this in her pocket when you're done?
Yeah. What is that?
That's a phone number. I don't know what the hell it's for or who it's for or whatever. So.
Yeah, but my grand